I remember for my first WA, I got an E8 for Chem. And I was like really discouraged because I studied really hard for the test and I don't know where I went wrong because I made many notes and I did many practice papers and I blindly memorized. And I think that was when I realized I needed some help on how to study for chemistry because unlike other subjects, you cannot blunt force memorize chemistry and you have to really understand it. So that's when I went to Google and I searched some chemistry tuitions and I came across Winners Education. And I learned that Mr. Shah is really effective in teaching the fundamentals and making us understand that chemistry is more about applying the keywords and really understanding the base information. And I think after I joined Winners Education, instead of thinking chemistry more as like a mundane subject, it was more like everyday life. So it was really much more interesting for me. And I was more interested in chemistry. And after, because Mr. Shah made chemistry very easy also, so it was quite helpful, I would say, for me. And after I joined the tuition, I quickly began to understand how the different mechanics works. So I think, yeah. So firstly, chemistry is more, I would say, applying rather than memorizing. So during lessons, Mr. Chow would give us certain mnemonic devices for us to understand the different mechanics. For example, during organic chemistry, he made us understand how organic chemistry in real life is, such as the crude oil and how it's separated. So it made me understand more and maybe visualize also how the fractional distillation works, for example. So I'm more of a visual learner rather than most people. They can just read off books and they can quickly understand it, but I'm more of a visual learner, and his worksheets and his notes also is more visual, I would say. And during lessons, he wouldn't go on and on about the redundant information. He'd only tell us what is necessary, so it's easier for me to understand. And for information that I have to memorize, that he gives us different acronyms also. So it's easy for me to remember during exams. So I don't get, after joining Winners Education, I wouldn't get stressed for exams over memorizing the information. So yeah. After I got the E8 for my WA1, I slowly improved. I got a B4 for my WA2, then a B3 for prelims, and eventually A1 for O levels. I would say that it was quite stressful during the exams because of the short runway. I didn't think I could get an A1 because it was just around 4 to 5 months after March. And I was really discouraged at first, but then after I joined the tuition, I knew that I had some more help on my hand. And Mr. Shah is always available on Telegram if I need any help. So he's really open to answering my question also. So that also made me more relaxed because during exam times, I knew that I could rely on someone to answer my questions. And if I had any misunderstandings also, he could answer it. So I actually wasn't that worried during exams because I knew that I did my best and I paid attention during tuition and I submitted my work on time and I tried my hardest. So yeah, I would actually recommend it to some of my juniors in Set 4 this year because because I started in March last year with my O levels being in October. So if I can do it with such a short runway, I'm pretty sure if you join in Sec 3, it'll be even more easier for you. And if I think my results were a testament for my efforts. So I definitely handed out my work on time and I paid attention in class. I applied what Mr. Chua taught me, and I think his teaching methods were much to my were really beneficial for me. So I think if it helped me, it would definitely help more students who are struggling with chemistry like me. So I definitely recommend it to many other students. Yeah.